I'm stuck in a bad traffic. I'm now heading to the chestnut farm to get fresh chestnuts. It became kind of popular, so this is the only season I can get fresh chestnut. I hope I can get there right, and I hope that there's no queue, and I hope there are chestnuts left so I can get it. I heard there's a place that I can get yummy chestnut in the middle of Tokyo. So I thought I have to go and get it. Okay, I found many people are standing on the line. Oh my goodness, I was thinking how long time it's going to be. The guy who was guiding told me there's no fresh chestnut anymore at this time. So I can only get roasted chestnut. Never mind. I'm just gonna be patient. See how it's going to be like. I could see the fresh chestnut at this point. I'm almost there. 嬉しい。2つずつでしたっけ？はい。
よろしいですか
2つずつが限度ですよね。
そうですね。袋がどれがいいですか？
欲しいな。
ちょうど3000円でございます。
はい。じゃあこれで
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
はい、ご千円お預かりいたしありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。すいません。It took me about 1 hour to get this, but yeah, I got it. This is my first experience to wake up early for just getting chestnut. Wow, they look so big. I just can't wait to enjoy it. いただきます。It was just totally worth standing on the queue for 1 hour. I'm just so happy to get it. They're just so yum yum. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye. Luckily, I got the fresh chestnut too. So I will be making chestnut rice on the next video. Please look forward to it.